All right, so we all know the brand Apple. So many consumers have Apple products, iPads, iPhones, Macs, you call it, but what the heck is Apple Health and how does it have anything to do with insurance? We're gonna walk you through what Apple Health is, but make sure first click subscribe. We're passionate about educating our consumers and community about anything to do with health insurance, home and auto insurance. This is our field of expertise, and by subscribing, you'll get more and more educated so that way you can make the best decisions for you and your household. So let's jump into it. Apple Health is the newest name for Washington state provided insurance. So in the state of Washington, there are two types of health insurances that you can be enrolled in. There are qualified health plans, which you will see from any sort of provider like Regents, Premera, LifeWise, Kaiser, all depending where you live. But then there's also a plan that was new when the Affordable Care Act came out called Apple Health. Great name, right? It's something many of you guys will know from the past as Medicaid. This is for those folks that are on low to limited or no income that qualify for state provided insurance, Medicaid. This has been rebranded as Apple Health. Sounds a lot nicer in my opinion as well. There's a reason they did this. Now, Apple Health can also be a little bit confusing depending on the area that you live in the state. The state has contracted different providers to essentially provide the insurance. So Apple Health is this nice big umbrella that's provided by Washington State, and in there they have different providers each year. It's always a good idea when you're signing up for Apple Health, if you qualify, that you find out which providers are really good for your area. So it may be something that you want to look into with your certain provider, your doctor, your children's clinic. You can find out who they prefer to work with. Also, something that's really unique to the state of Washington is going to be that households can have split eligibility. Based on your income, mom and dad may end up paying for their insurance at a low cost, and their children may end up being on Apple Health. It's not uncommon in our area where we've seen over 50% of our households with young children, where the children are on Apple Health, so you're paying little to no premium. They're on the state-funded program. And then mom and dad are on a program with Regents or LifeWise or Premera or another company that we've come to know in our area. We're here to help with any questions. If you know someone, if you yourself have questions about your health insurance eligibility, what you should be on and what would be best for you, that's what you have us for. As your local trusted advisor, we want to make sure that you are in the right thing. We want to make sure that you are happy going forward. By subscribing below, you'll make sure that you get all sorts of updated information. And if you have questions, comment, email me directly. We're happy to help and look forward to making you an educated consumer when it comes to your health insurance.